Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this puzzle baits of the Saturday edition, Saturday, May the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this 4 stars binary, yes. 4 stars binary number 8515. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Number 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's on the west. Once. Number O here, one, there one. Number 1, here no, there no. Number 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's. Oh, wait. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Then double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me see. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between us, always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 5 O's we have here in the last row. So the rest are ones. 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Then, yeah. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Oh, so the rest are ones. Then let me see. Need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Then let me see. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I need to compare the question, the columns or the rows. Let me check for the rows. 1001. No. Then 1100. 1100. Here 1, here an O. 1100. Well, this is this row and this row. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double check 1 2 3 4 5. Correct in 6 minutes. We solved it again with one comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle, the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.